Hi, welcome to Tashi's Treats. I'm Tashi, and today is Taco Tuesday. Yay! Do you hear the crowds? All right, we're going to do my quickest, most delicious, authentic tacos, and we're going to do it right now. We're going to start out. Here we have 1.5 pounds of ground beef. Chopped up a good cup of onions. Bit of cilantro. If you do not like cilantro, don't put it in. Some people have like a genetic disposition to make it taste a little bit like soap. If it tastes like soap to you, don't eat it, because I don't want you to eat something that tastes like soap to you. We are gonna just mush this all around. On the stove, I have oil just heating on up, just regular vegetable oil, heating on up in my cast iron. It's about 1 inch deep. I'm gonna let it just cook on medium, and while I prepped everything up, it was just doing its thing. It's still nice and hot. I'm gonna try to get all of this incorporated real quick, because Taco Tuesday is not Take All Night Tuesday. It's let's get this over with, because we want to say Olé! Okay guys, we've mixed up our meat. Looks delicious, right? Got here some just white corn tortillas. I'm going to take about a good, probably 2 tablespoons of meat. Lay it right down the center. I'm going to do this to a few of them, because once I get over to that stove, there ain't going to be no stopping me. I'm not going to come back over here and do this. So I'm going to set them all up right now, and when they're done, I'll get back to you. Voila! Here we have 1.5 dozen ready to go tacos. Let's hit it, folks. First, you're going to fold over your taco, kind of hang on to it. You want the bottom of it to start getting solid and the sides to get fried. Then turn it to one side. Now, this heat, never put your heat on your cast iron above medium. You do not want to get it too hot, because that oil just really heats up good for us. You can kind of feel when they start giving in a little bit and surrendering to that oil. A little count to 10 and give it a little turn. I usually try to get 4 in here at a time. I use my long tongs so that I don't end up with a lot of in-my-face splashing. Let's see that guy wants to pop over? No big deal. I'll force him to do what I want him to do. I'm the queen of the kitchen. There we go. Now this guy over here, he's almost ready to be flipped. Oh, look at that, my friends. You can see how quick and easy these turn into delicious tacos. Because it's not just about making the tacos brown, it's about also cooking all that beautiful meat inside. Now, you can see how beautiful that is. I like to give it a little drain, but not too much. Because I'm putting them on a paper towel. I'm not going to waste time and space. Let's go ahead and pop some more fresh guys in here. This guy over here is done. He's telling me, he's speaking to me right now. That's gorgeous. Now, I'm going to finish these up. I've got 4 of them already done. I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of these. I have, 12 more to do. And then it's going to be taco time. Olay! Okay, we're done frying them up. Isn't that beautiful? Let me get it up a little closer for you to see. Whoops, almost dropped some. There I have 18 deliciously cooked tacos with your lettuce and tomato and some cheese. Squeeze on a little sour cream, and you've got yourself a delicious meal. You can serve this with refried beans and some delicious rice. I hope you eat very nicely and come back safely to me. This is Tashi Streets. Have a great day.